My friend Jonathan, he's this brilliant man, a woodworker. I was given these spoons called Jonathan's spoons, and they were hand carved out of wood, and they were lazy. And I said, I wonder what that means. They have a little notch in them, so you can hang them on a pot. So Jonathan and I teamed up and got together so we could have some dishwasher-safe lazy spoons and lazy ladles in all of our bright, really cool colors that coordinate with all of our cookware. So now you give these guys a stir, say the phone rings or somebody rings the doorbell. You don't have to just throw this on the counter and make a mess. You don't need to clutter your counter with a spoon holder. Look, you just stick it on the side of the pot. Is that the coolest thing? Can't take credit for it. That brilliant idea came from him, but it was my brilliant idea to make it dishwasher safe. Now, back here, I have a huge pot of chili. It's been cooking away. It's getting nice and thick. So I'm ready to add in my chopped scallions and my chopped cilantro. Here we go. Got a lazy ladle too, check it out. Bam, just right there. Over here, now this is technically, I gotta tell you, this is technically a bench scrape. You know when you make pastry and stuff, you have to scrape it up from the board. I don't do a lot of baking, you know what I call this? I call this my little food mover. I use it to get stuff from the cutting board into the pot in one trip, so I don't have to keep going like this, back and forth, scooping it up with my knife. Plus, not the safest thing in the world to scoop things up with your knife. Of course, you're supposed to do that with the back of your knife, but you know, you can forget. Let me show you. You know, when you're scooping things like this, you can forget, you can cut yourself. You're supposed to be doing this, but you gotta make a lot of trips. Not with the food mover. You can bring a whole pile of stuff to the pot, one easy trip. Give that another stir. I'm gonna add a little stock in the box to this guy back here, get him moving. And plus, even if you do have a spoon holder, if you have this many pots and pans, well, your spoon holder is going to be piled up with all different sizes and shapes of utensils. This way, with your lazy ladle and your lazy spoon, one-stop shopping, right on the side of the pot. There we go. Let me just grab my muffin here. I'm going to move this guy over here. Turn him off. He's ready to serve. There we go. Bring him to the table. Serve him up. Right from the stovetop to the table, couldn't be prettier. And when you serve out of these pots, they really hold the heat. They're cast iron, they're heavy pots. They'll really hold the heat and keep everything nice and warm all throughout your meal for seconds.
Dirty microwaves are a pain to clean. Stubborn stains and stuck on dried food require expensive chemical cleaners and elbow grease to tackle. Not anymore. Introducing Angry Mama, the hot-tempered little lady that deep cleans your microwave with the power of steam. Guaranteed to be the easiest way you've ever tried. It's easy. Just add vinegar and water, place her in the microwave, and turn it on. Presto! In no time, she blows steam out her head that powers through grease and dissolves hard caked-on messes. Now, just wipe clean and you're done. Angry Mama is fun to watch through the closed door. She's not just a little better, she's a lot better. Watch! Stubborn pasta sauce? It wipes off with ease. Impossible burnt chili? Comes right out. Greasy bacon splatter? Not with this Angry Mama. The magic? The specially designed head that creates pressurized steam heated to over 200 degrees, penetrating every surface to melt away any mess.
It was always a pain to clean in those tough-to-reach corners, but now with Angry Mama, those areas are spotless.
But watch this. These men at a greasy garage destroyed this microwave. Yuck! But one visit from Angry Mama and years of crud easily wipe away. Amazing! Angry Mama costs pennies to use, making all other cleaners obsolete.